Imagine finishing a full song from your home studio in just half a day. With AI, that's possible. And today I'm going to show you 3 game-changing tools to make music faster and mix like a pro. So let's start with the first one, which solves a problem every home producer runs into. Not all of us play every instrument out there. Well, this solves that. I'm talking about Suno stem generation. It's a paid AI tool that can generate realistic stems like drums, bass, guitars, vocals based on a simple text prompt. Let's take an example. Okay, so let's say I've got this track I'm working on. But I need a bass line for it. Well, let's say I suck at bass and I don't want to hire a session musician and I don't want to drain my energy coming up with like a half-baked MIDI part. So let's see what Suno can do instead. Boom, that's my bass. I can now put this track back into my Logic session and start like working on it even more and continue creating. This is absolutely game changing for anyone looking for quality performances but don't have the skill set to play the instrument on their own. Let's take this idea even further. Let's say you want to hum your bass line, or maybe you have a guitar solo melody in mind, but you actually can't play the guitar either. Well, hum your melody into Suno like this. Now let's see what Suno can generate for us based on our hum and us telling it we want an electric guitar solo. This is pretty insane. And if I like it, I can download it and put it back into my Logic session, or I can just continue prompting it here in Suno to get something, better that I like. I can also actually just do everything right here within Suno Studio. It's kind of like a DAW here. It's limiting, but man, it's going into a direction where like they're creating a DAW within a internet browser. The next AI tool gets even crazier and it might even scare you. It did for me. Let's say you've written a song, but you don't want to sing it, or maybe you can't sing it in the way that you're hearing it in your head. That's where Kit's AI comes in. It's a voice cloning tool that can literally create an AI version of your own voice. So here's how it works. You upload a few hours of your own vocals. I have a ton of music online, so that part's easy for me. And boom, Kit starts training a custom model of me. So I can have an AI me singing anything I want. Technically, I don't even have to record vocals anymore, like ever. And the example I'm about to show you is absolutely insane, but let's take this even further and pour some more gas in the fire. Let's look at a song I co-wrote with a friend just a few weeks ago. It's called Starting Again. After the session, we wrote it. We had the lyrics, the melody, and this very rough voice memo.
You got no saying where you come from, but you can choose where you're gonna go.
I'm gonna use Suno to build a full production around the song. Then I'm going to use Kit's AI to sing it using a clone of me.
Where you got no say, where you come from, but you can choose where you're gonna go.
A rough voice memo becomes a fully produced track with me singing, even though I never stepped in front of a mic. This is crazy. And if you don't want to use your own voice, you can actually let Kit's AI transform your voice into different styles too, like a country singer, a female vocal, or even Ray Charles. Yeah, we're definitely in like sci-fi territory right now. But let's switch gears for a sec, because not all AI magic requires a paid subscription. The next tools are easy to use and available for free in Logic. First up is the stem splitter. Just drop in an MP3 or WAV and it separates the drums, vocals, instruments. Super useful if you want to reverse engineer a track or just grab a vibe from something you've written before. Then there's the Session SI tracks and Logic's own AI mastering tool. Both are getting pretty good. You can quickly add layers, bass, keys, drums to make your song fill out or make your track loud enough for streaming without needing like 10 plugins. But if you want maybe a bit better of a mastering option, there's that free one you can use from Lander. Lander can do free MP3s, or they charge a bit to do wave mastering. Okay, so far we've got generated stems from a hum, cloned our own voice, produced an entire track, and mastered a track in minutes. Can it get even crazier? And yeah, it can. I can see a future where AI will literally mix your song, no faders, no plugins, no whatever, no stress. It's already almost happening pretty much with it is with Suno, but with some plugins as well, which kind of makes me ask, is my job as a musician done? Maybe. But here's the thing, no matter how good the tools get, we're still human and we'll always bring like taste, instinct, creativity, and emotion into the process. And while we're still here showing up in the studio, we're going to need some help. That's why I built something for you. Meet the Make Your Music bot, a free AI tool I created to help you produce music in Logic. Ask it anything. What plugin should I use to make this synth cut through? How do I use the Studio FET compressor? Or even upload your song and get feedback on your mix. I've mentored hundreds of producers and beginners learning Logic, and I train this bot to give guidance as close to mine as possible. It's still not better than me yet, which is great, but sometimes it is. Sometimes it's better than me. Get it at the link in the description. But seriously, this one thing these AI tools don't solve yet is taste and instinct to build your curation skills and creativity skills as a producer. It might hurt to hear, but you could still produce a disaster with AI. You need to learn the core production and arrangement skills that's going to level you up. That's why you need to watch this video here. And I'm going to teach you 8 arrangement hacks that will make you a production king. I even give you a PDF checklist that you can put right in front of you so you know what to try out and tick off. See you there.